I want you to be good always. Be kind, listen to your parents.
And Mike.
Study hard and take care of your sister. Merry Christmas, love Santa.
Wow! Good job siguro si Bobby. Good job si Bobby. Kaya may gift from Santa.
Okay, ano po yan?
Binili ba ni Santa sa Lazada yan?
Sa Lazada o sa Shopee? Wait.
Wow! Wow!
It's a...
What is that? Scooter?
this one pa, Bobby. One more.
Cat scooter.
One more. One more. Bobby, one more.
One more.
Here.
Dear Bobby, I hope you like this gift. I want you to be good always. Be kind, listen to your parents, study hard, and take care of your sister. Merry Christmas, love Santa.
Wow!
Okay. Ayan. Ay, nako. Ay, nako.
Tulong.
Binalot ni Santa ng maigi?
Talaga po.
Ay, mas murgatang kayo. May tape pa.
Wow, what is that?
What is this?
Alam ko na yan. Open namin yung card.
Ano?
Alam ko na yan.
Tcharam!
Ano ba yan?
Ano to?
What is that?
Pinaglaruan ko yan. Yan.
Wow! Saan binili ni Santa?
Wow!
One for me.
Alright. Oh, how about Sarah?
Open na.
Read for Sarah. Oh, read for
Dear
Sarah.
Sarah, I hope you like this gift. I want you to be nice and sweet always. Always be good to Kuya. Always be nice to your friends and listen to Mommy and Daddy always. Merry Christmas, Sarah. Love Santa.
Wow!
Open. Wow!